The EZ TOLL is just as simple to install on a motorcycle as it is on your auto. Open the drawstring all the way, then loop the drawstring around your handlebar or seat strap, and your transponder goes through the open loop. Then just tighten down the ball cock and you're ready to ride. The EZ TOLL is simple and quick to install on your motorcycle. Handlebars, luggage racks, seat straps, and mirror struts, the EZ TOLL mounts just about anywhere. Made from durable nylon mesh fabric, the EZ TOLL holds up and stays secure in all types of weather. Free yourself from using unreliable suction cups and adhesive Velcro strips that severely limit where you can mount your transponder on your motorcycle. The EZ TOLL gives you so many more choices to mount your transponder where you want to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.